Well, hello there friends, Stag here. Welcome back to my channel where I showcase the creation process of my creepy cute, lowbrow, and gothic fantasy art and ramble. The art things. I wanted to do a sticker video show of my haul from Zap Creatives and talk about companies and making them. The last couple years I've been making and offering stickers featuring my art. I have for you a rather large order I got done after Inktober from Zap Creatives. Despite it coming through DHL, it came incredibly fast. In the United States, in the past, DHL has been a nightmare. I got these less than a week after ordering them from the UK, insanely fast. My last order, it felt I had to wait for it though, so I'm wondering if they prioritize larger orders as it was for a very small batch. For Inktober, I wanted to do something cool, and I wanted to do character designs. I never thought the challenge would pay off so well, as I'm still painting some of those concepts. I have since painted the Ember Witch, the Dark Conjurer, and the Creeper this year so far. A few of the characters I had drawn a companion sheet for, featuring additional themed elements. The idea was always for me to do a sticker sheet of some sorts. Ultimately, I went with a smaller companion sheet and a larger die-cut sticker with added pin badges for the sets. I went matte finish for these stickers. At the time, it was a new offering from Zap. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Normally I like a nice flat finish, but I think next time around I might order in gloss. I had gotten the medliest stickers though. I wanted to replace my old Fertile Soils sheet with larger die cuts, and I got a unicorn done. Well, got the unicorns done for a winter promotion. I've been doing a lot of freebie promotions right now. I have a special pink reprint oracle card for orders over 15. Anyway, so before I ordered from Zap, I was making some stickers myself. I had received a silhouette cameo. They are kind of like hobby cutters, like a US plotter, but I think that's what they're called. They can cut around printouts, or you can use like vinyl, and you can do some really neat stuff with them. However, they're more like an economical hobby machine, not necessarily professional. There's a ton of waste from cutting, and from the margins and how you set it up. And if you're like me and have a cat, he bats it at it and knocks it off track and the entire sheet is ruined. There's just so much more waste and error doing something like this yourself. What you save in buying from a company, you can easily pour back in the ink and waste. However, if something doesn't sell, you're not stuck with like 100 or 1,000 of it. I do like the freedom of whimsically deciding to make a sticker today and have it on hand same day. I make my own prints, and I have painted hundreds of paintings over the years. I can't imagine having all those prints on hand to this day, because not everything sells well. Using the machine initially was at the height of when I got sick, and it was terrible because I had a lot of micromanaging for it, and it took forever for it to cut, and for space reasons I had it set up on the floor, and going back and forth just sucked when lupus was in full bore. I decided whatever money I might save is nowhere near worth my time and health, and I started ordering stickers. So a bit about companies. The more you order at a time, the more you save. The problem with ordering from companies is that the prices are insane for small batches sometimes, but affording a large batch is kind of out of reach too. So there are a few companies that offer affordable smaller batches. So Zap Creatives I have probably used the most. They offer other products than stickers, from acrylic charms, wood engraved pins. They now have an enamel pin sister company. One of the reasons I like Zap so much is for a small additional fee, I can get several different designs printed and a 100 or 1000 sticker count. They offer many sizes. The file setup and upload was a little intimidating to me at first, as I'm normally a traditional artist. I'm not that Photoshop savvy, but they have an easy enough walkthroughs. I figured it out. I really don't have much to complain about them. They are one of those companies that offer smaller quantities, which is surprisingly harder to find. For large label-like orders, I have used Sticker Giant. Every now and again I order stickers I place on the outside of orders or just slap on the packages. Sticker Giant offers large rolls of them, but they are pretty limited to the amount of designs you can do. I think it's either minimum 250 to 500 stickers of a design. They have a pretty easy upload setup though. There's also Sticker App. I was in the market for holographic stickers. They offered smaller batches, and the file setup upload was incredibly easy and the results were great. I also figured out for holo stickers, the holo laminating foil I had will also adhere to Zap's matte stickers, so it makes me wonder how well the matte will hold up with time. I really wish they were matte laminate, but they clearly aren't. But for my holo sticker, I use Cosmic Prism, which I thought she would look lovely with her clothing and the opal-like qualities and whatnot, and would add to the design. I removed her background in Photoshop and elements of her where the holo effects would be. Sticker App also allows you to choose whether you want the whole design holo or opaque with holo elements. I thought that was pretty neat. Lastly, I'm going to drop one more company I have yet to use, but will probably try them out later this year, Rockin' Monkey. They offer glow-in-the-dark. I really want some glow-in-the-dark stickers with some of my black and white art. They were the only company I found with a low quantity option. Anyways, all these stickers are available in my shop now. And a quick note, I am not affiliated with these companies, and this is not sponsored in any way. They're just companies other than Rockin' Monkey I have had experience with. Anyways guys, I will leave it at that. Thank you for watching. Feel free to follow me on Instagram for daily postings on sketches, work in progresses, and other updates. I'm also currently running a Kickstarter, Creepers and Haunts, for an array of enamel pins featuring some spooky characters with many other add-on rewards from stickers, original drawings, fabric patches, and prints. The first 5 pins are currently unlocked. Link to that are in the cards and description. And as always, you can find a plethora of paintings, prints, and other fancy stuff featuring my art at lowbrownmisfits.com. Well, bye.